So let's continue our sample problems on the conservation of forces and energy. We have here sample problem number 3. Sabi dito, a smooth 2 kilogram collar shown fits loosely on the vertical shaft. If the spring is unstretched when the collar is in the position A, determine the speed at which the collar is moving when y is equal to 1. If, letter A, ang tanong sa atin, ano daw yung velocity at point C when it is released from rest. So, when velocity at A is 0. Then, letter B naman, yung velocity at point C, when the velocity at A is 2 meters per second. So, binigay sa atin ng problem ay mass, 2 kilograms. Binigay yung value ng y, 1 meter. Tapos sabi ng problem, fits loosely on the vertical shaft. Kapag sinabing fits loosely, hindi siya dumidikit o babagya lang dumidikit. Ang friction natin doon or ang coefficient of friction natin doon ay 0. Okay? Tapos, unstretched daw tayo kay point A. So, yung stretch natin kay point A, 0. So, the original length ng ating spring, ang original length ng spring lang ay 0.75. Okay? So, unahin muna natin kay point A, hanapin natin yung BC using the conservation of energy. Since yung problem natin wala namang force at wala ring friction na nagtutulak at kumukontra sa kanya, therefore, ang meron lang tayo ay conservative forces. So, that is T1 plus B1 equal to T2 plus V2. Wherein yung mga V natin is equivalent sa BG plus BE. The gravitational potential and the elastic potential which is WY plus 1 half KS squared. This is plus or minus. Pwede siyang plus or minus. Si KS squared naman plus lang. So, establish natin muna yung datum line. Pwede tayong dito na lang kay point A mag-establish ng datum. Isang sa ganon, matanggal na yung mga energy na nandyan. So, substitute natin yung formula. So, for T1, that is 1 half BA squared. Okay? 1 half MBA squared plus the elastic potential ng ating point A, that is WYA plus 1 half KSA squared. Para naman sa point C, we have 1 half MBC squared plus WYC plus 1 half KSC squared. Take note of the position. Si point C ay below the datum line, so dapat negative na tayo dito. Parang sobrang laki pala ng sulat ni sir. Lilitan ko lang. Okay? So, yan. Substitute natin yung value. Sabi ng condition natin, initial velocity daw ay 0. Since nasa datum line tayo sa point A, so wala tayong distance. And since unstretched tayo kay point A, so 0 din tayo dito. So, may iwan na lang sa atin ay 0, 1 half ng mass, MVC squared, minus WYC. So, given sa atin yung YC, 1 meter, plus 1 half KSC squared. So, ang problema na lang natin ay yung stretch length, yung stretch natin at point C. So, tingnan natin yung spring. Ito yung ating length ng spring. Ito na yung length ng spring at point C. So, kung makikita natin, this is a right triangle. So, pwede natin kunin si LS as the square root of 0.75 squared plus yung ating y, 1 squared. So, our LS is square root ng 0.75 plus 1 squared. We have 1.25 meter. Pero ito ay length ng spring sa point C. Kukunin lang natin yung inihaba niya. So, kunwari, ito lang yung inihaba niya. Okay? Ito lang si SC. Kasi yung original length niya, yung original LO niya, tawagin natin LO yung to, yung original length niya ay 0.75. So, therefore, yung SC natin ay 1.25 minus 0.75. So, our SC ay 0.5 meters. So, substitute tayo ng values. We have here 0 equivalent sa 1 half. Our mass is 2 kilograms. Hinahanap natin si BC squared. minus our weight is 2 kilograms times 9.81. Our YC is 1 meter, 1 na lang, plus 1 half ng, ano yung K natin? 3 Newton per meter, so that is 3. And then our SC ay 0.5 squared. So here we can solve for BC equivalent to, cancel na lang natin muna ito para ang matitira na lang sa atin ay square root ng 2 times 9.81 plus 1 half ng 3 times 0.5 squared. Magiging minus pala to pag tinranspose ko sa kabilang side. So, hindi ako nagsi-shift solve, nagtatranspose na lang ako. So, our velocity at point C is 4.387 meters per seconds. Now, sabi naman nung pangalawang condition ng problem, ano naman daw yung BC kapag meron tayong initial velocity na 2 meters per seconds. Okay, so again, wala pa rin conservative forces. So, ang formula pa rin na gagamitin natin ay ito. So, copy na lang ni sir. And then, paste natin dito. But this time, hindi na zero yung ating kinetic energy. Okay, so may maiiwan na sa ating 1 half. Substitute na natin yung values. Our mass is 2. Our velocity daw at A is 2 squared. So, positive tayo dyan ha. And then, 1 half ng, so, ato ay kwan lang, scalar lang. So, kung positive lang i-consider natin. For the point B, 2 kg pa rin, hinahanap natin si BC squared minus, yung W natin ay 2 kg times 9.81, ang YC natin ay 1 meter pa rin, plus 1 half ng K, 3, ang SC natin ay 0.5 squared. So, kumbaga, yung 0 dito, papalitan na lang natin ng 1 half 2 times 2 squared. Or basically, cancel na natin yung 1 half at 2. 2 squared na lang tayo. So, magkakaroon lang ako ng additional 2 squared dito. Then, ang velocity ko sa point C is 4.821 meters per seconds. Okay. So, that's it for this problem. Ano, kinonsider positive ito ha. Positive ang velocity dito. Positive din ang velocity dito. So, regardless of our motion, ang consideration lang natin ay yung point. Okay, kasi pag tinranspose mo, magma-minus naman yan. And that's it for this problem. That's the end of our discussion for dynamics of rigid bodies. Hopefully, na may natutunan kayo kahit papaano.